Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Welcome back to our maths class. Remove your textbook. Remove page number 40 of your Discovering Maths. Now we are going to learn more or less. Okay? We are learning chapter number 3, more about numbers. So more or less. More More means ज़्यादा, less means कम. Now you can see one boy and one girl is there. Boy is having 7 balloons and the girl is having 4 balloons. तो किसके पास ज़्यादा balloons हुए? Right, boy के पास 7 balloons है तो he has more balloons. 7 क्या है? 4 से ज़्यादा है. So 7 is more and 4 is less than 7 and 7 is more than 4. तो in short, more means ज़्यादा, less means कम. Now you can see here, you have seen this type of sign in your previous class. This is known as bigger, smaller signs. Okay, we used to show the greater number or less than the smaller numbers. So we put crocodile mouth open to the greater numbers. ऐसा crocodile mouth open करते हैं जो साइड ज़्यादा numbers होते हैं. So here crocodile mouth is open on this side. Why? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons are there. So crocodile mouth is open this side. So this sign is used for more numbers. Now you can see here also on right side 7 balloons are there and 4 on left side. So crocodile mouth is open on 7 balloons because this is the sign of greater ones. Now let's see some more examples. 30 and 28. So crocodile mouth is open on 30 because 30 is greater number and 30 is more than 28. Same here 27 and 45. 45 is greater than 27. 29 and 45. 45 is more than 29. Here 35 and 34 is there. 35 is more than 34. 47 and 28. 47 is greater than 28. 39 and 28. 39 is greater than 28. So simply the number which is greater, you have to put the crocodile mouth open sign. Okay. Now let's solve practice zone 5. Here you can see count the objects and write appropriate sign in the circle. Both signs are given here. You have to put in this circle. So let's see which one is more and which one is less. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. So let's write here 4. Here 1, 2, 3. Let's write here 3. So which one is greater number or which one is more? Yes. So 4 kites are greater than 3. So we'll put here crocodile mouth open. Now let's see for B1. Here 4 pencils are there and here 3 pencils are there. So which one is more? Yes. These red pencils are more than these green pencils. Now balls. Here 6 balls are there. Here 3 balls are there. So 6 are greater than 3. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 ice creams are there. Here 5 ice creams are there. So which one is more and which one is less? Yes, on right sides are more. So we'll put here crocodile mouth open here. Hope you have understood. As we have seen, greater smaller sign, greater the number which is greater one, we have to put the sign of crocodile mouth open like this one, okay, and less one like this. And now equal. Equal means जब दोनों साइड के नंबर्स और द डायग्राम्स, अगर नंबर्स नहीं है, कुछ डायग्राम्स है, कुछ पिक्चर्स है, तो बोथ साइड शुड बी इक्वल. देन you have to put like this two sleeping lines. This is known as equal to. Okay, this is known as equal to. When you are going to put this equal to, when both the sides are equal. अगर both the sides are एक जैसे, दोनों sides एक जैसे रहेंगे, then only you are going to put the this sign. 3 and 3, लेफ्ट में भी 3 है, राइट में भी 3 है. दैट्स वाई हियर साइन इज इक्वल टू. 3 is equal to 3. For numbers that are same, we use the symbol this. Okay, this is the symbol for equal to. Now see here, let's count the chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or chocolates are also 7. Apples are 7 and chocolates are also 7. So which sign you are going to put? Which symbol you are going to put? Yes, equal. Now on page number 43, you can see one more or one less. So previously already we have seen that more means ज़्यादा, less means कम. So one more, one means एक ज़्यादा और एक कम. My mother gave me 2 pencils. She gave Chintu 1 more pencil than me. Okay, what is she is telling? Her mother gave 2 pencils to her, but she has given one more pencil to चिंटू. मीन्स चिंटू को एक और ज़्यादा पेंसिल दिया. ओके, सो ही हैज़ गिवन 2 to this girl and 3 to चिंटू. So means one more. Each number is one more than the number just before it on the number line. Now let's see here. One more. One more. One more means एक ज़्यादा. I have 2 apples. She is having 2 apples. And this boy is having 3 apples. Means what? He is having one more than this girl. So 2 and 1 more, that is equal to 3. Okay. Now turn the page. On page number 44, look at the following number line. You know this is a number line. On the number line, numbers are given from 11 to 20. 11 and 1 more means 12. 12 and 1 more means 13. 13 and 1 more means 14. 14 and one more means 15. 15 and one more 16. 16 one more 17. 17 one more 18. 18 one more 19. 19 and one more 20. So one more means just you have to add one number. Now one less, as we have seen one more. One more means एक ज़्यादा. One less means एक कम. I have 4 toys. I have 3 toys. Oh, one less than you. Okay, she is having 4 toys and he is having 3 toys. So he is having one less, मतलब एक कम है. So 7 and 1 less means 6. Okay, 14 and 1 less 13 means less means you have to minus from this number and more means you have to add this number. Okay, simply less means you have to minus it. 10 and 1 less, 10 minus 1 9. 19 and 1 less is 18 means 19 minus 1. Now on page number 45, practice zone 7, complete the following. 2 and 1 more. More means ज़्यादा. More आपको प्लस करना है. 2 plus 1 3. 16 and 1 more. So 16 plus 1, good, 17. 23 plus 23 and 1 more, 24. 37 and 1 more, 38. 1 and 1 less. Less means क्या करना है हमको? माइनस करना है, कम करना है. सो 1 में से 1 लेस करेंगे. 1 and 1 less means what? Yes, it's 0. 9 and 1 less 8. 14 and 1 less 13. 20 and 1 less 19. Now let's see increasing order. Write number from smaller number to larger number is called increasing order. Increasing order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to larger. मतलब हमको increasing में छोटे से बड़ा arrange करना है. For example, you can see here 3, 6 and 4 is there. Increasing order means what? पहले आप सबसे छोटा नंबर लेंगे, that is 3. उसके बाद इससे बड़ा नंबर लेंगे, तो उससे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा होगा? 6 भी है पर बीच में 4 भी आएगा. सो 4 एंड देन 6, मतलब छोटा, उससे बड़ा और फिर उससे बड़ा. सो डैट इज नोन एज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. यू हैव टू अरेंज फ्रॉम स्मॉलर टू लार्जर. छोटे से बड़े तक अरेंज करने को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर कहते हैं. सेम हियर 12, 15 एंड 11. सो सबसे स्मॉल नंबर कौन सा है? 11, देन 12 एंड द लास्ट वन इज 15. नाउ let's solve practice zone 8. Write the following numbers in increasing order. So 1, 9 and 6. So the number which one comes first? 1. Then 9 is bigger. Which one is smaller and bigger? 9 and 6. So 6 is smaller and then 9 is bigger in the last. So we have arranged these numbers from smaller to larger. Same here, 13, 14, and then 16. Here also 37, 38 and 39. So increasing order means you have to arrange from smaller to larger. This is known as increasing order. Now on page number 47 you can see decreasing order means increasing order का ulta, that is decreasing order. In increasing order we have arranged the numbers from smaller to bigger. In decreasing order we are going to arrange from bigger to smaller, from larger to smaller. Okay, so let's see here 8, 9 and 5. इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हमने सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर लिया था, बट वी आर डूइंग हियर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, सो वी विल टेक द बिगर नंबर फर्स्ट, 9 देन 8 एंड देन 5. इट मीन्स हम कैसा अरेंज कर रहे हैं इसको, सबसे बड़ा उससे छोटा और फिर सबसे छोटा, मीन्स लार्जर टू स्मॉलर. सेम हियर 22, 25, 27. The biggest number is 27. Then the bigger number is 25 and the smaller number is 22. So we have arranged these numbers from larger to smaller. From practice zone 9. Write the following numbers in decreasing order. 5, 8, 9. So which is the biggest number here? 9. Then the bigger and the big one, and the smallest from all these numbers is 5. Okay, so here also the bigger number is 24, then 23 and then 22, and the last one 38, 36 and 32. Hope you have understood this ascending and descending order, increasing and decreasing. Now remove your observation book page number 26 of your observation book. Question number 2. Count the objects and fill the circle with bigger, smaller or equal sign, as we have done now in the textbook. Okay, then on page number 27, question number 3, fill in the blanks using appropriate sign, bigger, smaller or equal. So same as question number 1. In question number 1 pictures are given to you and here numbers are given. Okay, now question number 4, fill in the blanks. 11 and 1 less. So less means come, minus. So 11 and 1 less means 11 minus 1, 10. This is also your homework. Like this you have to solve. Okay, now on question number page number 28, on page number 28, question number 5, arrange the following numbers in the increasing and decreasing order. In this cloud, numbers are given to you. These numbers you have to arrange in increasing order. Increasing order means smaller to larger, छोटे से बड़ा आपको arrange करना है. For example, the smallest number in this is 8. So we'll write first, then 12, then 22, then 36, then 45, and then 50. From this cloud we have arranged the numbers in increasing order. छोटे से बड़ा हमने arrange किया. Now decreasing. Decreasing means you have to arrange the numbers from larger to smaller. Means आप 50 पहले लेंगे, then 45, then 36, then 22, then 12, and then 8. So like this you have to solve. Question number 5 is also your homework. Okay, so your today's homework is on page number 26, page number 27, page number 28, and on page number 29. Hope you have understood everything. So complete your homework. Keep your book neat and clean. Thank you.